Well, it is raining again. Uh, this is terrible, but awesome at the same time. We need some rain here in San Antonio. My last ride in the rain. I took the hill. It has stopped raining. I'm here at the airport. SATO. Gotta be ready. Ta-da!